The woven spider's wheel is one of the most popular stitches in contemporary botanical embroidery. Begin by making 5 spokes around a circle. The number of spokes should always be in odd numbers and never an even number. Now bring out the same thread or another thread from closer to the center and start weaving under every alternate spoke. Ensure not to pull the thread too much as the circle grows. The stitch will try to take a shortcut and sit over the previous threads, which is acceptable. Pulling too hard can distort the shape of the circle. As you approach the end, where you are covering up the spokes, we need to ensure that the woven threads are secure. So work a row of stem stitch around the circle. This is optional but highly recommended. I hope you like the stitch. Also, check out our bookstore from the link in the description. We have books designed for learners of various skills. Thank you for watching.